This Paneer Bhurji recipe has become one of my recent favorites, which has flavors and textures blended in a very unique way. I have prepared this dish from scratch. I have used homemade paneer for this recipe. I got approximately 200 grams of paneer from 1.5 liters of cow milk. Preparing paneer at home is a kind of cost-effective method, and also the paneer will have softer and creamier texture. So let's get started, and we will do a little pre-preparation. So firstly, take few Kashmiri red chilies in a bowl, pour in some hot water, cover and let this soak for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, take one big onion. Here I am using a hand chopper. I have roughly chopped the one onion I have taken and put it in hand chopper because we would be needing finely chopped onions in this recipe. Next, take two medium-sized tomatoes, roughly chop them and add them to a blender jar and make a fine puree of it. It's been 10 minutes by the time I've chopped the onions and made a puree out of the tomatoes. So in a blender jar, I'm adding the soaked Kashmiri red chilies along with the water and 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped garlic. Blend these two to a smooth fine paste. Then in a bowl, add about 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan. Add little bit of water and mix to make a smooth fine paste. In another bowl, add about half cup of fresh curd. We'll be adding few spices here. Add turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, pav bhaji masala, the star ingredient of this dish, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, kasuri methi. Mix everything well so that all the spice powders are blended well in the curd. Set this aside for about 10 minutes. Let's have a glance at what all we have prepared till now. Chopped onions, curd mixed with spices, tomato puree, besan or gram flour in water, prepared red chili and garlic paste, and last but not least, paneer. So let's start the cooking process. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. After this splutter, add the chopped onions. Saute on medium heat for about 5 minutes till the raw smell of the onions goes away and they turn translucent. Then add 1 slit green chili. Cook on medium flame for about a minute. Then add the paste of Kashmiri red chilies and garlic. Let it cook on medium heat for about 8 minutes till the moisture evaporates from the mixture which we have added. Then add the mixture of curd mixed with spices. Let this cook on medium heat for about 6 minutes till the oil starts to separate. Once the oil starts to separate, add the prepared tomato puree, mix everything, let this cook on medium heat for about 4 minutes. Now here again the oil starts to separate, then add the gram flour or besan mixture. Let this cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. Then add salt according to your taste. Mix everything and let this cook on medium flame for about 2 minutes. Then add homemade paneer. Here I am using 200 grams of paneer. If it is homemade paneer, just crumble and add it. If you are using store-bought paneer, then grate and add the paneer into the gravy. After adding the paneer, make sure you are letting it cook on low flame. Then add 1 chiplet of butter and let the butter melt for about a minute on low flame. Then garnish with coriander leaves. Our super delicious, creamy Paneer Bhurji is ready to be served. If anybody wants to know the process of how I have prepared paneer at home using cow milk, do mention in the comment section and I would upload a video regarding that soon. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes and cooking videos. Enjoy and subscribe for more.